Hey there, this is Manny, the founder of Blue, and today we're going to talk about a little known and perhaps underused custom field in Blue that I think can be extremely useful when used well. It's called time duration, and it measures the time taken between two events in your project. Let's dive in and I'll show you how it works. I have a very simple project here that's essentially a list of tasks that need to get done. It flows from backlog to in progress, then under review, and then into the done list. Let's imagine that we're a manager and we would like to know the time it takes for any task once it's in the in progress list to get done. This is actually very simple. We can create a new time duration custom field from the field management screen. So I'll add a new field here. We'll call it time to completion. And I'll select the time duration type. Now we have event 1 and event 2. So event 1 is our start event, and in this case it's going to be when the record is moved to the in progress list. We can also choose from the earliest action or the latest action in case this event has happened more than once in the record's lifecycle. Then we can look at event 2. This is going to be when the record is marked as complete. We can choose how we want to display custom field, so we'll choose this third option, which is nice and human readable, and for the target we'll set a 1 day target. So I'll add that in, and now we can take task 5, we can move that to in progress, we can wait a few seconds, and then we can mark this as complete, and I'll move that to the done list as well. If we go inside the task, you can see that the time to completion was 6 seconds. This is fantastic because you can use this to report back to clients on how long it took you to do certain tasks from the moment it was requested to the moment it was marked as complete. I hope you find it useful in your projects, and thank you very much for your time.